Urban-based business owner, this trademark update is for you. Check this. Lizzo is not out here just making hits. She is making precedent in case law. Lizzo wanted to protect 100% that bitch as a trademark. And you know the United States Patent and Trademark Office initially told her no. But Lizzo got coin and she got time, so she fought it all the way to the court. And the courts was like, all right, Lizzo, you can have it. Let's give you that trademark. And in doing so, they created some very interesting first-time legal precedent. If you don't already follow me, I'm attorney LBJ. I'm an intellectual property attorney that loves helping small urban and non-urban businesses protect their business brands by teaching you about trademarks through hot topics like Lizzo. So music artist Lizzo in her song said 100% that bitch, and it took off. So she came back and she decided to try to trademark t-shirts and clothing that said 100% that bitch. Initially, her trademark was denied, and it was denied because the United States Patent and Trademark Office said this is just such a commonly used term. Lizzo didn't come up with that, and it is normal that you cannot trademark a term or a phrase that people use all the time. Good morning, thank you, Jesus. Those things cannot be protected by a trademark in most cases. So when you have trademark litigation, most of the time with the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board, these things aren't done like in a normal courtroom where you're arguing back and forth. They're done through writings and briefs that both parties exchange, and the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board reviews to determine what they're going to do. And after their review, what they decided was Lizzo provided enough evidence that she herself put together that string of terms and popularized it that in a way that it had not been done before. And the proof that Lizzo used? The Urban Dictionary. Now, the Urban Dictionary that you can find online is similar to Wikipedia. People can add the terms and the definitions based on what their experiences are. And previously, the courts determined that a Urban Dictionary entry was not valid and could not be used as evidence. Webster's Dictionary, Encyclopedia Britannica, all of those sources have already been approved to use as a part of your argument to win your trademark case. Well, after Lizzo showed how many times the Urban Dictionary showed that 100% that bitch was connected to her song and her music, they took that as evidence that 100% that bitch was in fact a brand identifier for Lizzo herself. Remember, trademarks aren't just slogans that you throw out there. You can trademark a slogan, just do it, 100 million sold, but people still need to be able to connect your slogan with your brand. Otherwise, it won't be approved. So Lizzo successfully trademarked 100% that bitch in t-shirts and other clothing and apparel. Now understand, she's not just getting t-shirts and putting the words on the front. The name of her brand must also be called 100% that bitch. So Lizzo gets added to the long line of musicians and artists like Uncle Luke that have changed how we look at the law as it relates to trademarks. So congrats to her.